Every medical professional knows that moments of crisis can arise without warning. Are you truly confident in your ability to respond to a pediatric or adult cardiac emergency? Is your basic life support certification up to date and meeting the rigorous standards expected in California workplaces, often set by OSHA? Blue Ocean Safety is your partner in building that critical confidence. We specialize in providing top-tier basic life support and comprehensive CPR training, covering both adult and pediatric protocols for individual medical professionals like you. Our programs are designed to refresh your knowledge, refine your techniques, and ensure your certifications are current for your continued practice and OSHA compliance within your facility. Our certifications from the American Heart Association and AHA guidelines are widely recognized and respected within the medical community. They provide you with the credentials you need for your career advancement and ongoing licensure, and importantly, help your employer satisfy OSHA workplace safety mandates. You'll learn advanced airway management, effective ventilations, and the nuances of high-quality chest compressions for patients of all ages. We focus on hands-on practice, ensuring you not only understand the theory, but can execute life-saving interventions with precision and speed, all while fulfilling the high expectations for safety in California healthcare settings. Don't let an expired certification or a lack of recent practice diminish your readiness. Become the confident clinician you're meant to be, equipped with the most current and effective life-saving skills, and always ready for recertification to uphold the crucial standards of care. Elevate your readiness and ensure your OSHA compliance. Click the link now to view our upcoming BLS and CPR classes and secure your spot with Blue Ocean Safety.